English together.
My friends.
By English together.
Chapter 1.
This is Tom. He is carrying a backpack and looking around. He has come to New York to study. Hey, Tom, what are you doing?
I am looking for my friend Emily. She said she would wait for me here.
Alex, I can't believe Tom is finally coming to New York. I haven't seen him in years.
That's awesome. I can't wait to meet him. Is he your friend from when you were young?
Yeah, Tom and I were neighbors. We spent every day together as kids. I used to take care of him. And we had so many adventures. I can't wait to meet him.
As they chat, Tom walks towards them, looking a little tired but excited.
Tom, over here.
Hi, Emily. It's been so long.
Welcome to New York, Tom. I'm so glad you're here.
Thanks, Emily. It's good to see you.
Tom, this is Alex. He's going to be our flatmate too.
Nice to meet you, Alex.
Hey, Tom. Great to finally meet you. Emily has told me so much about you.
Likewise, Alex. I'm looking forward to getting to know you.
You'll love living with us, Tom. It'll be just like old times.
I'm sure it will be. Thanks for inviting me to join you guys. I couldn't have asked for better flatmates.
Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Tom, how was your flight? Did everything go well?
Yeah, the flight was long. But it went smoothly. I'm just happy to be here.
Get ready, Tom. New York City has a lot to offer. You'll love it.
I've always dreamed of living here. The energy and opportunities are exciting.
You'll enjoy it, Tom. We'll show you the best places and help you settle in.
Thanks, Emily. I appreciate your support and attention.
I'll also introduce our flatmate, Maya, to you. She is a beautiful and creative girl. I'm sure you two will be good friends.
We're going to have a great time, Tom. We'll explore, try new things, and make lasting memories.
I'm excited, but I'm also a bit nervous about this new chapter. It's a big change.
Change can be scary, but it's a chance to grow. We're here for you every step of the way.
Absolutely, Tom. We're a team now, and we'll support each other through any challenges.
My friends.
By English together.
Chapter 2.
Tom, Emily, and Alex have arrived at their home. Tom, what do you think? Are you excited?
Yes, I'm excited, but I'm a bit nervous. Living with roommates is new to me.
Don't worry, Tom. It'll be great. Living with friends is fun.
Let's go inside.
They enter their cozy apartment. Maya is cleaning the floor.
Maya, guess who's here? Tom. The friend I told you about has finally arrived.
Hey, Tom. Welcome to our home. It's great to have you here.
Thanks, Maya. I've heard a lot about your amazing artwork. It's nice to meet you.
So Emily has been bragging about me, huh? Well, I hope I live up to it.
Of course you do, Maya. Tom will love your creations.
Thank you, Emily. I can't wait to get to know you better, Tom.
Now that we're all here, how about a homemade dinner? I'll cook.
Sounds good, Alex. I'm excited to taste your cooking.
Just don't burn down the kitchen, Alex. Welcome to your new room, Tom. As you can see, we've got the most important item here. Well, just the bed for now.
Oh, it's empty. Just a bed.
Don't worry, we'll make this room feel like home soon. We can go furniture shopping together. Make it cozy.
That sounds like a plan, Emily. Thank you.
Don't forget to give us a like and share with your friends. So, Tom, what do you do for fun? Any hobbies or interests?
Well, I love playing video games and reading. And I like drawing too.
That's awesome. We'll have to set up a gaming night soon. And maybe we can draw together too.
Wait, do you smell that?
Yeah, I do. What is that smell?
Yeah, something's not right.
Oh no, it's coming from the kitchen.
Guys, it seems I overcooked it.
Well, I guess we'll have to order takeout tonight.
Or we can go to the coffee shop nearby for cake and coffee.
Which of the following is Tom's hobby? A. Hiking. B. Playing video games. C. Swimming. Let us know your answer in the comments below.
Our first home-cooked meal turned into a funny disaster.
Living together is full of surprises.
Alex, stay away from the kitchen for a while.
Or you could say I've created a memorable memory for us.
Thanks, guys, for making me feel at home.
Cheers to new memories.
To new beginnings and lifelong friendships.
My friends.
By English Together.
Chapter 3.
Good morning, Tom. Did you sleep well? Are you ready for your adventure in New York?
Yes, thanks to Emily, Alex, and Maya. They are friendly. It's a great start.
After breakfast, the friends gathered for a chat.
Tom, why did you come to New York?
I came here to study IT and improve my English. It has been my dream for a long time.
You have always been smart since we were kids. I remember you using the computer to do interesting things.
Thanks, Emily. But honestly, Sometimes I doubt myself. I struggle with confidence.
Look, Tom, the TV.
Want to boost your confidence? Join a gym. Come to gym together.
Tom, what do you think?
Going to the gym, huh? Maybe I should consider it too.
Just imagine Tom flexing his muscles.
That would be really funny.
But it's a good idea. It's always good to try before saying no.
It could be fun. We could all go together and make it a group activity.
Yeah, I can keep fit too.
Tom, Alex, Maya, and Emily gather outside the gym. They are ready for their workout session.
All right, guys, let's head inside and get our fitness on.
I'm excited. I can't wait to do some stretching and yoga.
Sounds good. We'll meet you here after our workouts.
Let's go lift some weights, Tom. I'll show you how it's done.
Tom and Alex head to the weightlifting area.
Watch closely, Tom. This is how you lift.
Alex starts lifting the weights confidently.
Mind if I join?
Sure, I'm up for it.
Alex and Tom try to match the old man's strength.
20 minutes later.
I can't keep up.
Young man, you need more practice.
Tom, aerobic activities are important too. How about we try the running machines?
But I haven't finished lifting weights yet, though.
Come on, Tom. Let's go.
Don't forget to give us a like and share with your friends.
Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this.
Emily and Maya are doing some stretching.
Maya, how have you been lately?
Honestly, Emily, it's been quite overwhelming. I've been really busy with university and part-time job.
How's your relationship with your boyfriend?
Not good. We argue a lot and feel distant.
I'll always support you. Let's do yoga to relax.
Maya and Emily start their yoga session.
This feels calming. Just what I needed.
Taking time for ourselves can bring clarity.
All right, let's do this, Alex.
We've got this, Tom. Keep up the pace.
Tom and Alex begin their run.
Time for some cardio.
Alex notices the old woman running beside him and starts to feel like she wants to challenge him.
Do you think she's trying to compete with me?
Alex, maybe she's just here for her own workout. Don't worry about it.
"30 minutes later."
I need a break.
Yeah, me too. Let's slow down for a bit.
Tom and Alex slow down and eventually stop. However, the old woman keeps running without getting tired.
Keep going, young man. You can run more.
After their challenging workouts, Tom and Alex head to the lobby of the gym center, where they spot their friends Maya and Emily.
Hey, guys. How was the gym? Did you gain some confidence?
Well, it was quite a workout, but I'm not sure about the confidence part.
Yeah, it was tougher than we expected.
Tom, Alex, maybe you need to practice more, but it's good to have a fresh start. Remember, practice makes perfect. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.